You have the hiccups. Say hiccups. Go away, hiccups. You look very angry. Are you angry, Ethan? Don't be angry.
Black and white.
Turn the TV off and back on. The hiccups. What are you doing with those hiccups? Hmm? Say, go away, hiccups. Go away. Yeah. Go away, hiccups. Go away. Hiccups. Go away, hiccups. I love you. Go away, hiccups. You wanna watch TV with Daddy? Okay.